This video will discuss the HOLcloud Premium offering. HOLcloud Premium offers assessment questions built on the learning objectives of a lesson to help with student engagement and concept retention, and to gauge their outgoing knowledge upon completion of an HOL lesson. All premium question types are ADA compliant for students with disabilities. The added assessment questions are also predominantly auto-graded in the HOLcloud Gradebook. Auto-grading details are covered in the video gradebook for instructors, as well as the HOL user guide for instructors. Let's look at each of the premium assessment question types. Test your knowledge questions assess a student's incoming knowledge through a series of interactive style questions that engage students from the beginning by getting them actively involved in the lesson. These auto-graded questions include matching, categorization, ordering, and image labeling. Students click and drag the answers into place and receive immediate feedback when they click Check Answer. The next set of premium assessments are the Exploration Question Time questions. On each exploration page, students are asked a series of auto-graded multiple-choice questions that quiz them on what they just read to improve concept retention. Students get immediate feedback for each question. The Review Your Answers page recaps all of the exploration questions the student has answered. After reviewing the questions and answers, students get the opportunity to retry the Test Your Knowledge questions. This second attempt determines the student's knowledge gain after completing the exploration content compared to their incoming knowledge and are auto-graded for your convenience. Students complete the experimentation section as normal. This section does not contain any premium questions. The evaluation section includes the remainder of the premium questions. Students must complete this section in one sitting. Once they begin the final evaluation, the other sections of the lab are locked to prevent cheating so that an accurate assessment of their outgoing knowledge can be obtained. Competency review questions are the first set of questions in the final evaluation and are a series of auto-graded multiple-choice questions based on both the exploration and experimentation sections. Students are able to adjust their answers as many times as necessary until they lock in their answers with the final submit on the last question. The Competency Review Results page presents the students with how they performed on the questions. Students are also presented with the learning objective that the question is based upon and feedback for where they can review that content if they did not answer correctly. The extension questions are essay questions graded by you that require students to apply their knowledge gain to outside principles. They will answer the question and then check answer, which will submit their work. The student will then have a final agreement to check. The final report page aggregates all of the students' answers from the lesson. Once students submit their work, the answers are sent to Gradebook for your review. However, you do have the option to download the student report as a PDF. On the navigation icon, select Custom Lesson Authoring, which brings us to the final piece of the premium feature set. Use this to create a lesson that follows HOL's exploration, experimentation, and evaluation model. Click the Create Custom Lesson button in the top right. Assign a name and discipline. You can create your own background content, procedures, and data collection tools, and you have access to create your own premium questions. Please refer to our HOL user guide for instructors for more detailed information on how to create the specific question types, data tables, and any other content-related pieces. Please contact us to receive your copy. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for choosing Hands-On Labs.